Hi everyone! Today I'm gonna show you how we will crochet a hyperbolic scrunchies. We're gonna turn this boring elastic band into a beautiful hair accessory. We're gonna need an elastic band, a hook size 5.5 millimeters, and some yarn. I have chosen this fluffy yarn to make my scrunchies look more bigger and bulky. And also nice to touch. Okay, let's begin crocheting. To begin round 1, place a slip knot on your hook. Now we need to pull slip knot through elastic band like this. So now we have our first loop on a hook. We're gonna close this loop so our yarn is attached to the elastic. Now we are starting our crocheting, waving the tail while doing it so we won't need to hide it in the end. We will continue doing single crochet across the ring till the end. We can make as many single crochets as we pleased to support our elastic. We shouldn't make the single crochets too tight. However, time to time we need to pull our stitches together. It is quite simple. When we come to the end, we are going to check that we have enough single crochets covering our elastic. If it feels that there isn't enough stitches, we can add few more. When working with a fluffy yarn for the first time, it may feel that stitches are too tight and it will be hard to work through them, but actually they can be easily seen. Round 1 should be closed with a slip stitch. And now we can go to the next round that will start with chain 2. After that, we need to make a double crochet in the same stitch. Till the end of the row, we're gonna make 2 double crochets in every stitch. This will help us to create such a big waves on our crunches. As we can see, the waves start to appear very quickly and they are bulky. When we come to the end, we will make 2 double crochets in the last stitch as well, and we're gonna close this row with a slip stitch into the chain 2 or the initial chain 2. Round 3 starts with chain 2. In this row, we will make only 1 double crochet into every stitch till the end of the row. This will add some size to our scrunchies. When we reach the last stitch, we will make one double crochet into it, and then we close this row with a slip stitch into the chain 2 or the initial chain 2. Chain 1, and then we will cut the yarn. We need to pull the yarn through the loop and make it tight. Now it is the time for embroidery needle to wave in the tail. All done. When I was testing this pattern before, I was using a little bit thinner fluffy yarn, and these scrunchies are not so big as the one we have done with you right now. But actually, any yarn can be used to create scrunchies. Don't be afraid to try. Thank you for watching and subscribe so you can see our next videos.